Good morning, guten Tag, buenos dias, good night. um, Welcome to the Wash and Go Chick. Today I just want to share how I refresh my hair in the morning. In my previous video I showed how I wash my hair and condition, style. So this is the day after. At night I just put my hair in what people call a pineapple because it looks like a pineapple. I just want to show you what my hair looks like when I take it down, and how to try to mold it so it looks decent again, so you don't have to wet your hair again if you don't want to. So I'm just wearing I don't know what this is called. I think it's something with a T. I have heard it, but it's basically like a tube, a little tube. And this is microfiber, so it doesn't soak up the humidity or the moisture from your hair. And then you can see my hair is otherwise in it has a satin. Well, it's not real satin. It is satin. I mean, I was going to say it's not real silk. A satin scrunchie, and I'm going to take that down. And because my hair is 4B4C and it doesn't normally fall beautifully like on TV commercials, so I have to play with it for it to fall. So I'll slowly try to bring it down without disturbing too much the curl pattern, if you want to keep some of the some of the curls in it. And I'm going for a side part, so I'm going to push it this way. Are you into side parts or middle parts? I am a side part girly. And you can see slowly, if you play with it, will start to go down. If your hair was reasonably dry when you put it on the pineapple. There is some companies that make like some sprays to refresh it, but most of the time I don't need to use any spray or anything to refresh it. Sometimes I might just use a little bit water, or if I have a lot of time I might use mousse. It's also, some mousses are really good to refresh your hair the following day. It should be a mousse that has slip. You continue to just gently pull apart until it gets the shape that you like. And sometimes I must admit, sometimes take it down and it is so stiff, it refuses to take any shape, then I would have to spray it. Something you could also do is you could, when you go into the shower, and if you're using warm water, after you take the shower, to remove your shower cap and the steam from the shower might help you shape it a little bit, but you might risk it shrinking a little bit also. So yeah, we'll have to pick what you prefer. When you put it on a pineapple, as I did, when you push all the hair up, it will stretch the back of your hair a little. If your hair is shorter than mine, one pineapple might not work. You might end up with hair looking like Bart Simpson or something. So you might want to try with maybe 2 pineapples, or maybe even 4 if your hair is really short. Or you could also just put on a satin bonnet on your hair, and that would also have similar effect, but you might have to work with it a little bit more. So yeah, you'll get the idea. Continue to play with it until you're satisfied without separating too much, because you might create some frizz. And yeah, so I'll do this, continue to do this. for a few more seconds and call it a day. Yeah. So how do you preserve your wash and goes? Let me know. And for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. You can, or even press on the notification button, and then whenever I post a new video, you'll get a notification. It's all free. It's all free. So that was it. I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.